going on here?
Let me scan your card.
So is this $10 for my experience and my gas, or?
Yes, yeah. And then this is
Okay.
I'm gonna refund you for the drink here.
You do realize I've probably spent an hour right now.
I know, I'm very sorry.
An hour?
You seem really sorry.
What?
Alright, this is gonna put the money back onto your card. Do you have your Starbucks card?
I paid cash.
Oh, you paid cash? Okay, here.
I guess we gotta carry him, y'all. We gotta carry him. Instead, she recording. Instead, she recording.
470, but I'll just give you 5.
Okay, and your name?
No, I'm Kevin.
Okay, and I am going to be contacting corporate because this is the worst experience I've ever had in my life.
Very sorry. We'll get you everything you need. Look, baby. We're making your frappuccino. It's coming right up. Grande. You just want like a grande mocha frappuccino?
Mix.
What is a grande? I want medium.
You want a medium?
Mix, yeah. Mix.
They're all laughing. You see this? They apparently think this is funny. Oh my god, that doesn't look that doesn't look anything like it. Like that literally says chip on it.
Did you want a frappuccino?
That says Java chip on it. Are you guys kidding?
You take the group.
Are you guys fucking kidding?
Friendly.
Oh my god.
Family friendly.
You're not even embarrassed.
We're gonna censor that though. We're gonna censor it. I mean, I might not be feeling offended, but I can't allow that cussing.
I don't care.
This video might get deleted.
Look how ignorant.
I'm gonna have to beat that out. What's wrong with you?
Seriously, snapping pictures of me won't. Does that work? What's her name?
Hey y'all,
Idiots.
it's me being videos. Yeah, I'll show my
How are they not
face.
embarrassed of themselves?
That's what you
Mom,
mean.
she should lose her job.
Take a picture, it will last longer.
Thank you.
Me, Daniel.
What?
Then why the f are you rubbing her back?
Hold on.
Isn't she with me?
Mom, she should lose her job.
Take a picture, it will last longer.
Thank you.
Me, Daniel.
Oh, crap. Alien man.
Then why the f are you rubbing her back?
Oh, shit.
Isn't she with Nick? Isn't she with Nick?
What the? What?
Isn't she with Nick? Huh? Then why the f why is she rubbing? Why are you rubbing? No, you don't tell me shut up. You don't tell me shut up. You heard me? Huh? Are you listening to me? I'm right here. No, I'm not gonna give you your phone. What's yours is mine. No.
What?
No, I'm gonna stay here. He's my husband. Oh, that's fine. No, you don't tell me to go outside. I'm following you. I don't care. Then you go that way. You need to go pick her up after work. I'm talking to you. No, I'm not gonna chill out.
How you doing, sir? I'm doing fine. Okay, now I want to know, we standing here in line, and this guy been on the phone 20 minutes. Why is that?
It's probably all what they got, you know what I'm saying?
My man, look, sir, you was here Saturday night
I remember.
when he was Sunday. Yeah, okay? So I'm going to file another complaint, because obviously the first complaint wasn't good enough. Okay? All right? My man, whatever you going to do it.
No, I'm just saying though, calling
Whatever.
service,
Look here, my man.
Right.
He is a
I mean,
manager.
I'm not the problem,
He is a manager.
I understand
Okay?
what you're saying.
And so for him to go out there, ain't that what you gonna what he want you to do?
I'm just saying that if you call this disturbance, you gotta leave the store.
I ain't leaving. Man, I got food. I ain't going nowhere.
Yeah, I understand.
I ain't going nowhere.
Crap, I didn't mean to pause it, y'all. Yeah, I watched this on YouTube. I ain't got nobody, no one else, nothing else to watch it on.
And if I don't go, what you gonna do?
You don't have the video.
Yes, I do. I had that right. I can do that.
But not.
I can do that. He been on the phone 25 minutes.
You don't have to, cause disturbance to me.
My man, look at these lines. You talking about what? I'm supposed to sit here and take this. Man, what is your name? Let me put your name on here.
Don't do
What?
that.
No, you gonna sit. Don't touch me, man. Don't put your hands on me no more.
But like I said,
Don't put your hands on me no more.
Okay. I escort you out.
No, you ain't
What
escorting
the
me. I
heck
got
going on here?
You came to me. I didn't come to you.
Yeah, because you called me disturbed.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying.
Hit me.
Safeway
Do whatever I
1177. Y'all see how this is. No.
Ooh, I had to fart. Ooh.
You gotta go.